Hi everyone, it's me Terry of the Yarn Joy podcast coming back with another product review. Caydo or Caydo, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing the company right, but they did send me this product to review. It is the wireless electric pen. It's for diamond painting, and it says vacuum diamond painting pen, wireless, use anytime, anywhere, multiple tips for diverse need, it says. And it says it's ergonomic design. And it comes in pink and, let's see, pink and purple and blue. They sent me the purple one, okay? And so I will insert a picture right here of what it looks like. It comes in this, what comes in this box. You slide it open just like this. And in the box, it comes in this really nice case, metal case. Let me put that down like that. Very nice metal case that you can store it in. Now I will insert a picture right here where you can see what it looked like when you first open it, because I've already taken the I got it charging right now, but I already took the cable and everything out, but it all fits in this container. The cable, charging cable, fits here, and the pen of course fits there, and there's all your different tips. So yeah, it's very nice, very compact. It comes very nicely packaged, okay? Okay, so let's go ahead and look at the pen itself. So like I said, it comes with a USB cable. Now, it did not come with the little plug brick that you use that you can plug the USB into and then into like a wall outlet. But you can of course plug it right into a USB, your computer, or where you have USB you can get power from. Okay, so here is the pen. It's got the little power button here at the top. And yes, it did say that it was ergonomically shaped, and I do believe that it's shaped very well. It fits very well in my hand. I'm left-handed, okay? So I would hold it this way. But if you are right-handed, either left-handed or right-handed, it is shaped well to fit very comfortably in your hand. These are little like vent holes, if you can see those little holes there. And it just says not to cover that up when you're using it. Okay, power button here is on the top, real easy to turn it on and off while you're holding it, okay? The tips, the one that it comes with already attached onto the pen is the single diamond gem bead tip, and it pulls out real easy to change your tips. It comes with another single bead one that is a bent tip if you prefer that. That one is very comfortable to use, okay? Very easy to interchange the tips. It comes with a tip here that you can see that it will pick up 2 of the diamond painting beads at one time, okay? And it also comes with a tip that will pick up 4 beads at one time if you've got like a big section of your diamond painting that's all one color. So that's very convenient. Okay. When you turn it on, there's a little fan inside here. I mean, you can see the fan. Isn't it cute? So there's a little fan inside here. I'm going to go ahead and put this tip back on. And when you turn it on, it does make a noise. Just sounds like a fan, but it's not loud. I don't think it's loud. Let me turn it on. You can hear it. Can you hear it? So to me, it's kind of a comforting sound. It's not an annoying sound, and it's not super, super loud, I like it. I'm very impressed with the pen. Let me turn that off. Okay. So there is the pen, and like I said, it fits really well in my hand. I really like that. It is wireless, so right now I do have it charging. You can see that red flashing light. So when it's charging, it has a red flashing light. When it turns blue and it's just blue with not flashing, it stays on. That means it's charged. Okay. So yeah, like I said, I do have it charging right now, but it is wireless and it does hold a charge pretty good amount of time. But if, it's no problem for me to keep it plugged in as far, if I'm sitting conveniently at my desk, you know, then I will just keep it plugged in, just because that way I get the maximum strength power on the pen, you know. But like I said, it is chargeable. I mean, it is wireless, where you can take the cable off and use it for a while before you have to, of course, recharge it again. Okay, so with this kit, it came with a little butterfly sticker. That's the diamond, you know, that's got the sticky on the top to put the drills in, just to get you started really quick with diamond painting. I think that's very nice that they include a little kit. It comes with the little butterfly sticker. And then also it comes with 4 different, I've already got this one open, but 4 different colors, see? Okay, of the little diamond gem. So like I said, you can get started with it right away. And it comes with a little tray. See, I've already got the beads on here. But it comes with a little tray for you to work out of, which is great. It's got the little grooves in it, so you just shake it and they all line up really nice, you know, which is great. Okay, and let's see, what else? Another thing I like about it is the fact that you do not have to use the wax that the other kits with the non-electric pens come with. You know, that you have to load up the tip with the wax, and then you have to pick up the beads, but then you have to, you know, after a while the wax runs out, and then you have to refill it. You have to refill it all the time, and then sometimes some of the wax gets onto the project, whatever you're working on, and then you have to kind of pick the little pieces of wax out from between the beads sometimes, and so this is so nice that this electric pen, it's like a vacuum, and so it does away with all that where you have to use wax or putty or whatever. And so that's my most favorite thing about this product. Okay, so now I'm going to zoom you up a little bit, and I will work on this sticker here a little bit so you can see it in action, okay? Okay, so here is the sticker. I'm sorry the glare, that's from my light. So I'm going to go ahead and take the plastic off, so that way maybe it won't be glaring at you. So you take the top plastic off. That's to reveal the sticky surface of the sticker. Of course, once you're done with it, see, the whole entire thing peels off, as you can see that. And then you can use it as a sticker and decorate something. Okay, so I'm going to take this plastic off. So that reveals the whole thing being sticky, so you can pick up the beads. Now, I'm using the single tip at the moment. So let me go ahead and turn my pen on. And let's see, I'm going to zoom you up some more. So you take your little tray of beads, and you just go and pick one up, and it holds it really well. You can see it on the end there. And then this is number 1, so I'm going to put it down on number 1 on my sticker. See? Just like that. Picks them up so easy, and I love the fact, like I said, that you don't have to use that wax or putty, and then you have to reapply it all the time. You can just start working on your project and just go with it, you know, and don't have to stop and reload your pen. Okay, so there's an example of the single tip. Now I'm going to turn the power off. I'm going to take my tip off, and I'm going to pick up the one that's got the double, where you can pick up 2 at a time. I'm going to turn it back on. And then I'm going to show you that I can pick up 2. And what's neat is that the fact that they don't have to be, and you see the beads there, they don't have to be perfectly lined up together. Since it's a vacuum, it kind of lines them up for you, which is great. Okay. Very enjoyable. I really like this. I recommend it. I think it works really well. Really love the fact you don't have to use that wax or putty. That's like a very big plus for me. Okay, so there is my little sticker. Like I said, it does have the 4-tip one. It works the same way. It picks up 4 gems instead of 2. My favorites, of course, is the 2 gems picker-upper or the tip, or the singles, you know, the ones that's got, will pick up one. Let me go ahead and zoom you back out. And I do have a discount code if you're interested in ordering one of these. I will link this product down below in the description box, and also the link to the not the Facebook, but the website itself, the caydo website. And so my discount code, if you use the code, you'll get 15% off, which is a great discount. And the discount code is YP15, and I will also put that down below in the description box so you can see. You can just copy and paste and get your 15% off of products. That's great. So thank you so much, caydo, for allowing me to check out your product. I really enjoy it, and I think it's a great product. So thank you so much for sending me the product to check out and review here on my channel. And I hope that you enjoyed this demonstration and that you will check it out if you enjoy doing diamond painting. Okay, thanks so much, and we will see you in the next video. Bye!